Today is January 8, year 2009. I'm here at our machine shop with Totoy. There's my machinist, Totoy. Totoy Roque, okay? I'm going to show you how true our trunk shop is. So, there. I'm going to turn the trunk shop into 1 full degree and let's check the run out, okay? So, that's the initial setting. This is in 0.01 mm. The trunk shaft is in 12 o'clock, okay? Okay, I'm going to turn the trunk shaft to 1 o'clock and as you read the dial gauge, okay? So I'm going to turn 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, it's almost perfect. It didn't move because we measured the trunk shaft. Okay, here. Now this time we're going to move the dial caliper into the outer rim of the span unit. Okay, let's move it. We have a very complete machine here. We have a milling machine with gear, with divider. We also have a shaper here. We have a shaper and another bigger lathe machine here. Meron pa rin? Ilang play? Okay, this time we are measuring the fan unit, the run out of a fan unit there. Okay, that's the initial reading. Okay, I'm going to turn the lathe 1 full turn. It's now in the 12 o'clock. That's the marker, 12 o'clock. Okay, I'm going to turn it as you monitor the gauge. Okay. It's 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7, 8, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and 12 o'clock. Very accurate, almost accurate, but I guess that the run out is due to the play on the chuck itself. Okay, it's almost perfect. So, okay, again, I'm going to measure the run out on this side, on axial. Okay, so let's see how true it is. Should be the same. Let's do it again because a while ago we just have accidentally moved the trunk shaft. Let's put it on 12 o'clock. Ito 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. Okay, that's 12 o'clock. So that's the reading. Okay, put it on 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. Oh, anyway, 11 o'clock. Okay. 10 o'clock. 9. Okay. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There. Almost perfect, huh? Sige, without touching it, let's move on the axial dito. Without touching the cone. Let's now measure the axial. It should be the same. Pwede mo ilagay sa edge para mas accurate.
Ang edge doon sa labas.
There. Oh, okay. Okay, again, we're going to measure it from, 6 o'clock. That's 6 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Okay, 6. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 9. That's 12, 9, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Konti, no? Okay. Same lang, may imperfection talaga. May very slight imperfection, pero what's important ito no? So anong run out niya? Mga 0.0 point. Oh. Dito, anong run out? What's the run out? Laki
Ano na eh?
0.1. Almost 0.1. Kaya ba may machine yan?
0.1.
Kaya ba may machine?
Nang ganyan, tatalpik yan.
Ay, hindi. So may factory defect pa dito, no? Kasi 0 na dito. Ito, may there's still a very slight.
One piece lang yan eh. Dapat, yan, accurate.
Okay. Kaya yung machine. Kasi machine natin. Hindi, balikan ko bukas. Hindi ko naman kukunin eh.